Hello, welcome to the Boston Private Income Fund quarterly report for the period ended 31 March 2019. My name is Paul Jones and I am the Fund Manager of the Boston Private Income Fund. The Boston Private Income Fund is reporting an official quarterly return of 1.9401% for the March 2019 quarter. This quarterly return corresponds with an annualised return of 7.8676%, which once again exceeds our targeted return set for the period. Thinktank Group Proprietary Limited, or Thinktank, which is a Sydney-based non-bank financial institution commercial mortgage sector lender, is the manager, originator and servicer of each of the commercial mortgage trusts that form the basis of the Boston Private Income Fund's investment strategy. Boston Managed Investments is pleased to report that Thinktank has once again produced another strong performance over the recently completed March 2019 quarter. At the completion of the March 2019 quarter, Thinktank recorded total loans under management of 1.02 billion Australian dollars across 1,525 loan accounts. In comparative terms, the dollar value of loans under management has grown since the March 2018 quarter by 269 million Australian dollars, which provides for a year-on-year growth rate of 35.9%. The quantum of loans under management has shifted upwards across the same 12-month period by 400 loan accounts, a 35.6% increase in total loan accounts over the same 12-month period. Deeper loan book metrics taken from the Thinktank commercial property loan portfolio at the end of the March 2019 quarter are equally as impressive. The weighted average loan-to-value ratio, or LVR, as measured across the portfolio at the end of the March 2019 quarter is 62.52%, a 141 basis point reduction on the same ratio reported 12 months earlier in the March 2018 quarter, and an indication that Thinktank is focused on maintaining prime, bank-quality credit at the core of its lending policy. This downward trending progress in LVR contrasts against the growth rate in monthly new loan volumes and total loans under management, both of which have increased at the same time the monthly LVR figures have continuously declined. Thinktank loan arrears of greater than 30 days, reported at the end of the March 2019 quarter, have declined against the elevated rate that we reported in our December 2018 quarterly report. As at 31 March 2019, the quantum of loan accounts with repayment arrears of greater than 30 days, as a percentage of the total loan book volume, is 0.97%. A closer analysis of the reported loan arrears over the March 2019 quarter confirms that there are no significant clusters amongst geographic or industry sectors, and Boston Managed Investments is satisfied that loan arrears are being carefully and responsibly managed by Thinktank. Over the March 2019 quarter, there has been a consistent downward movement in Australian short-term interest rates, particularly the 30-day bank bill swap rate, or BBSW 30, which declined by 26 basis points, or a fraction over 0.25%, in the last 3 months. BBSW is relevant for Boston Private Income Fund investors, as changes in this rate have a material impact on both the targeted and annualised return of the fund. Whilst the Boston Private Income Fund's March 2019 quarterly and annualised returns have fallen by 7 and 9 basis points respectively in comparison to the last December 2018 quarter, the published returns do not reflect the full reduction in the BBSW 30 that I have just outlined. Given current market conditions and a consensus outlook for reductions in the official cash rate, possibly occurring in late 2019 or early 2020, Boston Managed Investments is expecting short-term rates to remain at low levels for the next few quarters. As viewers will have noted from the information and data that I presented in the investment report earlier in this video, Thinktank achieved a significant milestone during the 2019 quarter. The total value of Thinktank's current loans under management now exceeds 1 billion Australian dollars. This is a significant achievement for a specialised commercial property lender in the Australian market. I would like to conclude our March 2019 quarterly video presentation by confirming that during December 2018, SQM Research conducted an in-depth analysis of the Boston Private Income Fund and its investment program. As a result of this in-depth research, SQM has awarded the Boston Private Income Fund 3.75 out of a possible 5 stars. This rating is a recognition that the Boston Private Income Fund is an investment vehicle suitable for advisor platforms across the Australian financial services sector. The final ratings report from SQM Research was published in the March 2019 quarter and is currently available on the Boston Managed Investments website, which is currently shown on screen. If you would like to have a copy emailed or even posted to you, please contact me via the number that is currently shown on the screen. Of course, you can also contact me on this same number should you have any questions about your current investment or if you would like to attend a Boston Private Income Fund information session. Thank you for watching another of our quarterly video presentations.